Hey, what is up everyone? So welcome to a brand new video, and today we're going to do how to make really cool photos part 2, because I know you guys love the other one. So we're going to do one. So let's get started. Let's go over here. So here we got a tree, and we got a leaf with the tree. Now this is a very good artifact. Like those artifacts right here, like are so good. So we need to get that detail of this so much. That is really good. That turned out to be a great photo. So on my last video, you guys know that I have an Instagram page and I'm posting all these photos. So now you guys can go and view all these photos later. So now let's go over here to these plants and get some other photos. Okay, so we're here now. So we got a trash can and we got a sign. We don't need those kind of crap. We need this stuff that's right over here. We need this thorny, bushy thing. We got this. So this is what's really good. So we got this artifact. So like this artifact right here. Like look how pointy that is. You can capture the detail of that very good if you just click on it a few times. Wait for it. There we go. So we got that photo. Hit me up on my Instagram to see that. You guys all know. Let's see. So we got these plants over here. So we got like some dead flowers, it looks like. I don't know what these are. But we're gonna take a nice good picture of this. I'm gonna get something that does not have shadow. Oh, simple, right here. There we go. Let's see. Simple. A piece of dead leaf. Okay, so now I want to tell you guys how to take a really cool a photo of how to over here you see the water, and we got the water right here with the bridge right there. I'm going to show you guys how to take a photo of how to do very good. Okay, so here, come closer. So now you got the sky. You can see the water if you zoom in more, but we're just going to do it out like this, all the way out. So you have to get that detail, so you have to capture it, so like right there. So point it this way because the sun is like right there, and then you have to tap that, and then it's good. So yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say, but if you haven't watched the other video, go watch the other video. So yeah, peace out.